Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of John's Crypto Therapy. If you guys do like my content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to show you guys more every single day. I kind of want to do this daily just so you guys get the perception and understanding of where the market's going to go. But more or less, as I always say, guys, I just want you guys to learn one thing every single day. It's just going to make you better in everything in life, okay? It could be even about this market. It could be anything about life. Just choose something that you're passionate about. Once again, I am passionate about Ecomi. I don't want you guys to think that I'm just this bear person that just wants Ecomi price to crash. I think everybody needs to realize why the big people or the rich people or the whales, why they're considered on top of the food chain, reasons why they understand the markets, they understand where it's gonna go. You gotta be an opportunist. You gotta understand where the market's gonna go and you gotta follow the trend. Don't go against the trend. If you guys go against the trend, I promise you one thing, you'll lose everything that you got, okay? So let's get started into this chart. I am gonna be talking about where we took our positions. We still had two sell positions, guys, which we talked about. We are looking for a take profit around the 0.0016524 number. That's a good comparison. I don't want to put it too much on the line. Reasons why: sometimes the market could go 5 to 10 pips just right before and pull back up, and then just all of a sudden you're going to an uptrend. You miss the whole position of getting your take profits on the bottom trend. You don't want to be too greedy. You want to understand, leave a little gap, guys. You know, let the market work its pattern, okay? So my biggest topic for today's video is going to be why the market's been going down. All right, a lot of people are getting frustrated and I can understand why, but you gotta understand, if you are an average person and I told you about VV, I think you guys will get excited. An average person will get excited and be like, you know what, I want to invest whatever I got, 100, 200, whatever. But if you told a millionaire, okay, if you told a whale, if you told someone that has a lot of understanding of business, marketing, fundamentals, and you told them, okay, you know what, VV had some drops, some were delayed, some technical difficulties, promised on a lot of things, overhype, you understand, with some of the products that they're trying to release, or maybe undervalued, undermarketed. All of these things, guys, is gonna play a huge factor on why the whales don't want to come in. They don't want to come in on these levels and risk whatever money they got on a project they don't believe in. That's simple as it is. If you really do want to understand when the whales are going to come in, they want to see this market undervalued. So right now, in their minds, this market is clearly not undervalued. That's why the price is not going up. They don't think this market's undervalued. They think the market's exactly where it's supposed to be. And we got all these other people that believe this market's so undervalued. I'm going to buy now. I'm going to buy now. Like I said, guys, I do believe it's going down. I think it's going to go down for a little bit more because I think in order for the market to go up, we need some of the Ecomi coins out. We need it to be burnt. We need it out of the market and no more. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, guys, I would love for you guys to comment this too, because I want to have a little group chat. I want you guys to understand where I'm coming from. If I'm not mistaken, if you're running a business, okay, and all of a sudden, imagine Dan or David, they message you and they said, you know what, some of the Ecomi tokens are actually not going to come out until 2040 or something like that, or 123 years from now. But why would they make that mistake in the beginning to lock those tokens? Because of a technical error, because of their typing a simple number. As a business person or someone that's investing a lot of money, that little mistake to a lot of people can circulate as, you know what, they're not ready as a business. They're not really backtracking what they're doing. You understand? A lot of people that are in the business idea want everything exact. Why do you think the CEOs want everything perfect, guys? Simple. They want the right stuff. They want money. They want it the right way. You guys ever go to work and you have a strict boss, but you know, at the end of the day, you're getting a good salary, maybe 40 to 50 bucks an hour. But you know, deep down, you guys are going to bust it early. You're going to make it 1 hour early to work and leave 1 hour late to work. And guess what, guys? No one's paying for those 2 hours to go to work, to going there and coming back. That's the same principle. You believe in work and the money is right. That's why here, they don't value the money. They don't value this project right now. They want proof. You know, at the end of the day, I'm spitting out facts, guys. You can agree with me. You can disagree. This is my opinion. But if you guys do agree, you know, it's totally fine. I appreciate that. But I want you guys to get in the same mindset of why I think the whales are not going to come in at this very moment, okay? Once again, we always talk about this VV verse, okay? If I give you keys to a car, that's totally different. You guys are going to be hyper. You're going to be liking it. You guys are going to go for a test ride. You're going to enjoy your life. But if we're talking about an image of a car for over 3 months, wouldn't you guys get fed up? Wouldn't you guys be like, yo, this guy's a joke. I'm not going to invest anything in this guy because he's been talking about a car for 4 to 3 months and he's not delivered nothing. That's the same concept, guys. We need more usable products in the markets for Omi to be utilized better. Once that happens and the utility goes up, that's the only time I truly believe that the markets can go up. If the markets do go down, or we have a flash buy and it just all of a sudden goes up, I promise you guys that buy is 100% in my eyes is just a quick buy for it to go back down again. It's just a quick money move. 100%. In my books, of course, my opinion. Okay, guys, remember the most important thing, and I want to make this clear, guys, anything that I say is just my advice. This is not no financial advice, but at the end of the day, what I can truly say, guys, do your own research, understand where the markets are moving, and it all makes sense. Okay, now let's get into the markets. I want to show you guys the move. I've been talking to you guys about this, what levels of support and resistance are going to get hit and where the markets are really trending. I'm still being honest with you guys. I still believe this is a bearish trend until it breaks high levels of 0.0039. I truly believe this is going to be a downward spiral and it's making lower lows, and this is the problem a lot of people are not understanding. You know, we could have a consolidation phase, we can have a lot of pump, we can have good news, bad news, and then it can push to the upside, guys. But even if it pushes the upside, doesn't mean it's going to stay there. Like I said, it could push to the downside, doesn't mean it's going to stay there. But right now, if you see the price lofting around this level, this is the price that a lot of people feel it's natural to be around at this very moment. If you believe in this project, guys, this is always a good time to bag in more tokens. 100%. If you believe this is a great time, bag that token in, guys. I'm bagging. I really do believe in a long-term hold, but guys, reaching $1 is going to be such a hard move for Omi. Reasons why: there's so much people that are just gonna be dumping while they feel like 25 cents is good for them, 50 cents is good for them, 30 cents is gonna be good for them. Guys, people are gonna take out money regardlessly. No one's gonna put it in there and just let it skyrocket. Okay, I know if we have like a staking, which is gonna be coming, but if you're only staking for the master collectible, some people might like it, but some people will be like, you know what, why don't I get a percentage back on my Omi tokens? Because that's different. If they say, oh, you know what, I could get 10% more on how much Omi tokens I put in, that could work out, you know. But I understand this program is strictly on collectibles. I totally understand that. If you're collectible, this makes sense. I get it. But if you want to get other people that are not collectibles, giving a 10% to 5% of whatever money they put into a staking program, that could work out too, from in my eyes, of course. But that's my opinion once again, guys. But please make sure to comment, guys. I love reading your comments. You know what? Each time you guys tell me something good about, you know what, I learned something. I like how you do your technical analysis, anything, even the negative comments, guys. I appreciate everyone that takes their time to go in there and comment, because at the end of the day, I want to know why you see it the way you see it. And you have to have two visions. You can't just be narrow vision, and you cannot just believe there's only one path to success. There's more than one path, and that's what I believe in. Okay, guys, off topic, let's go back into the technical analysis. I want to get this started for you guys, so it's a quick video of this technical analysis, and you'll see where I've entered another sell and where I think the market's still gonna go. We can understand these levels are gonna be broken, and I'll show you guys right here. Okay, we did have the markets going back down, guys. As we can see, this was the lowest low at 0.0019 towards this low, of course, at 0.0021. All right, so once it broke that low, we knew that it was going to go lower. Of course, this is the major low at 0.0016. If it does go there, we do have a huge support. I do believe there's a huge demand of buys that's going to be down here. But remember, guys, I just want to draw this out for you guys. Okay, if we have a candle like this, okay, guys, just watch my drawing real quick. If we have a candle like this right on these lines, and it was a huge candle, then it got pushed back up, but the body of the candle, you see this, guys, right here, this is the body of the candle. Okay, the wick is not the body of the candle. The body is the huge candle itself. The body of the candle, if it does not close underneath this support and resistance line, then we are somewhat good to buy. We are great to buy, followed with a huge, guys, a huge green bullish candle. We are looking to buy towards the upside. Okay, we are looking to buy towards the upside. Red candle, okay, push to the upside, closes above this line of support and resistance, followed by a huge green candle, guys. It is going to be a push to the upside. You can also have a doji, but with the doji, guys, watch here if you can. With the doji, it's going to look like that. It's going to be pressured from the upside and the bottom, okay? And it's going to conform into one little doji. With this doji, you want to see a huge engulfing green candle before you enter a trade, okay, guys? And if you really want to be smart, wait until a break of a trend line, then get into a retest, guys. Retest right here, then push the upside. That will be perfect. That is what I call a perfect trade, okay, guys? That's a perfect trade. But guys, If the market, let me just draw this line right here for you guys so we can have two dividers. If the market actually goes like this, guys, okay, and then it formed that candle, then another candle, okay, guys, then all of a sudden it does what we want it to do, okay, and then it forms a huge bullish candle too. This I wouldn't trade. I think that is a point where I need to wait for the market to decide where I need to go. Reasons why. This, you could tell the wick went all the way down there. I get it. The body's over here. Even if it breaks that low with the body, you could consider a lower low. But if I do see a huge candle in general, or any candle, and the body is over this line, not the wick, guys, the body is over this line, guys, this is traumatic. I could truly see the price still continuing towards the downside. That's scary, especially knowing that we have so much great things coming for VV, like VVverse and all of these crazy collectibles. That is a scary sight, but it's also a good thing for us. I hate when people believe the price going down is such a bad thing. No, guys, this is time where we start buying, guys. We just buy. That's all we need to do. If we buy, that's totally fine, because if you believe in this project, guys, and you buy at these levels and you want to be a millionaire and you want to be an Ecomi millionaire and you want to, you know, buy whatever you want to do, guys, these levels are great. But remember, don't invest any money you guys don't have. Please be smart with this, okay? Once again, we did try to draw this out. Let me zoom into this zone right here for you guys. I just want to talk about the zone right here, okay? The zone was really special to us because we talked about it. We've seen that we took a trade here at 0.0023, broke out in the trend line with a huge engulfing candle. It is a bearish candle. You guys can see the wick here, indecision. But as much as we can see the indecision, you can see the body on the bottom. Wick is smaller than the top wick. That means there's more pressure pushing it towards the downside, followed with the huge red engulfing bearish candle, breaking this trend line, guys. It already knew where it wanted to go. Once we went there, we see that it went to the bottom side, guys. It found somewhat support at 0.0020, then pushed all the way back up. Guys, it makes so much sense, okay? This was support right here, and then it just became resistance, okay? It also gave support here, but as much as we wanted to buy, the bears were too strong. They just only believed in selling this project. Once again, we had support here. It only made sense because we had support here. Okay, now we are here at this very moment in the market at 0.0020. We do have this beautiful candle right here, indecision. Then we followed by a bearish engulfing red candle once again. And right now, guys, as much as we want to see it, I could see somewhat go back, maybe get a retest at this level right here. But if it still does not go, I strongly agree that it's going to go touch this level right here. Okay, guys, this level is going to be touched at 0.0019. okay, my bias, guys, at the end of the day, we are still in a sell. Please understand that. But remember, if anything does happen and it goes to upside, just be ready, guys. If it breaks trend lines and pushes to the upside, just be ready. Realize the markets can change at any moment, but please do your own research, understand fundamentals, and this is where the market's going. And if it ever does switch, just understand that you just got to be ready. Okay, other than that, guys, I really want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate the support, the love, the comments, even the emails that I've been getting. I just want to say, keep up the great work on your side. I will do the same on mine. And other than that, hopefully you guys have a great meal, and John out.